Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are going to discuss about one more star pattern program, that is left triangle star pattern program. So in previous session, we already discussed about right triangle star pattern and the reverse right triangle star pattern. And we discussed about the logic in detail and how to start writing a pattern program. We discussed some key points as well. If you haven't watched my previous videos or you don't have idea how to write a pattern program, I will suggest you guys to go and check my previous videos. From that, you will get some idea how to start writing the pattern program. So whenever you are writing the pattern program, the two important skills are your logical skills and your programming skills as well. So for each and every pattern, there is a different logic, but for the pattern program, there are some important things that you need to remember before you understand the logic, before you make your own formulas, your own logic, and then start the programming. So let's start with the next pattern. For that, I will create one more class. Left star triangle. So let's first see how the left star triangle looks like. So in the left star triangle, first there will be some spaces. So consider that this is 4 by 4. Okay. So this is star, then there will be like this. So this is 4 by 4 star pattern program. So there are 4 rows and 4 columns. Okay. When you are writing the star pattern program, in the right star triangle, it starts with a star and goes down below and increasing the stars, right? Or in the reverse manner. But when you start here, you can see there are some spaces and then it prints this star. There are some spaces, then star. So in the previous video, in the previous right star triangle, first comes star and then the spaces. So that is the main difference between the first star triangle pattern and this one. Okay. So we need to keep this in mind, and on the basis of that, we need to first define the logic, formulate the logic, and then we can start the programming. So for this, we need a three for loops. I will explain you that in detail as well. So first, let me create a method, public void left star, and we are asking user to provide me the rows and column value, that is INTN. Inside that, I'm writing this for loop. So the first for loop will be the same as the last one, that is I is equal to n. My I value, let me first define here INTI. My I value should be greater than or equal to 1, and I'm decrementing my I value. Okay. Let me first write the logic, write the code, and then I will explain you the logic. Then I'm insiding this, I'm writing one more for loop for int j is equal to 1. My j should be less than or equal to I and b plus plus. Still here the programming is the same, the code is the same as the last one that we saw for the reverse star triangle. Okay. But here I'm printing blank space, because if you see, this pattern starts with some blank spaces. So there are 4 blank spaces, then 1 star, 3 blank spaces, 2 star. Sorry, for this 4 by 4, for this 4 by 4 pattern, there will be 3 blank spaces, then 1 star, 2 blank spaces, then 2 star, 1 blank space, then 3 star, and 4 star. So that's why I'm giving this blank space. Okay. Inside this for loop, I'm writing one more for loop, and that is int is equal to 0. My z should be less than n minus I and z plus plus. Okay. And here I'm printing my star. And in both the cases, as we need to print in the same line, I'm removing the ln here. Okay. And outside this for loop, I'm giving the println because we need to go to the next line. Okay. First, I will execute this program. Okay. Here C is less than or equal to n minus 1. Okay. Let me create first object of this class here in my main method. Okay. And I will remove this, the previous one, o dot left star, provide the value as the 4 and save this program and execute this one. So you are getting this pattern, right? And this is the correct one. So the first star, 2 star, 3 star, and then 4 star. If I'm giving the 5, then let's see how exactly it's executing. Yes, it is giving me for the 5, right? So let's understand how exactly this program is working. So the first thing, I'm giving, suppose, and my n value is the 4. In that case, my I value is also 4. Okay. If my I is greater than or equal to 1, yes, then it will go inside this for loop. Now here my z value is the 1. Is my z value is less than I? Yes, right? Because I value is the 4. In that case, what it will print? It will print one blank space. Then now my z value is the 2. It will increment the value. It will put the second blank space. So for the blank space, I'm just denoting it by hyphen. Okay. Now for the, it will again increment the z value. Z value is the 3. Is less than I? Yes, less than or equal to I. Then it will again print one blank space. Then again the value is the 4. Right? Okay, here I made one mistake. It should be less than I, right? Because it is giving one more space. Now, if you see the previous one, if I give it as a equal to, it is giving one more space here. If you see here, it is giving one more space. So I'm removing that. For that, I'm removing this equal to. So now my z value is 4. What I'm expecting, it should be less than I. So that's that condition is not getting satisfied, right? So it will go outside this loop. Now my z value is equal to 0. Okay, and I'm giving the condition that my z value should less than or equal to n minus I. What is n value? 4. What is I value? 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So z is equal to 0. That's correct. So now it will print one star. And this is printing in one line only because we are remove the ln. So it will get print here. Okay. Then it will increment the z value. Now my z value is the 1. Now it will check n minus I 0. 1 is less than or equal to n minus I or 0. No, that condition is not getting satisfied, right? So it will go outside the loop and it will print or it will go to the next line. So now we are in the next line and this is our pattern gets printed. Okay. Then now my I is equal to n is equal to 4 and I value becomes 3 because we are decrementing the value, right? In that case, if my 3 is greater than or equal to 1, yes, the condition is getting satisfied. So it will go inside this for loop. Now my z value is the 1, right? If z is less than I, what's the I value? 3, right? Yes, it's less than I. Then it will again print one blank space. Then it increments the value becomes 2. Then it will, the condition is getting satisfied. It will print the blank space. Then it will become, now my z value is the 3. If my 3 is less than 3, no, that's incorrect. So it will go outside this loop, right? and it stopped printing the blank spaces. Now it will go inside this loop. Now my J value is the 0 and n minus I, that is 1. So if 0 is less than 1, yes, that is correct. So it will first print the star. Then it increments the J value. Now my J value is the 1. 1 is less than or equal to 1. Yes, that's correct. So it will print one more star. And this pattern gets executed in this way. So it will go again the I loop, again the outside loop, then again inside loop, and this complete pattern gets executed. Here we are printing this blank spaces first, and then we are printing this star. Okay, so that's why we are using this reverse logic. So that's it for the today, guys. In the next video, we will see the same program in the reverse star pattern, that is a reverse left star pattern. The logic is different for that one as well. So check that video as well. Thank you for the today, guys, and have a nice day.